So hello and welcome to Cloud Kaksha, and in this video we're gonna learn about ELK. So most of the time in DevOps interview, the interviewer asks the common question, how will you configure centralized logging and monitoring in DevOps environment? And in this video I'm going to explain how to answer that question. So what is ELK? ELK basically stands for Elasticsearch, Logstash and Kibana. Let's say you have a multiple application server running and each one is generating logs, system logs, application log, error logs and various logs. Now if you want to monitor all of them from a single place, you need a centralized logging system. That's where the ELK stacks come in. So now through this diagram you can see that there is a log, there is a Logstash, and there is a Elasticsearch, and there is a Kibana, which is also known as ELK stack. So basically Elasticsearch stores all the index and all your logs, and Logstash will collect and process logs before sending them to Elasticsearch. So in this you can see that there is a log file basically, and this log file is going in Logstash, and Logstash will do data processing and transfer this logs to Elasticsearch. Elasticsearch will store that data log and process them and send it to Kibana, and in Kibana we can see that logs through a dashboard, and the Kibana basically looks like this. So basically this is the dashboard of Kibana, where you can see all the logs from a log file. So till now I think everything is clear to you, and in future video if you want me to explain further and with the hands-on activity, so I can do that, just comment in the comment section. That's all. Thank you. Keep watching, keep loving, keep supporting.